Make your circle, and then the click text on path tool, hover over the circle and click once. Write out your text like so, and then with the direct selection tool, move the handles to the left and the other one to the right until you get them bang in the middle there. Then click type, and then type on path, hit preview and click center, and click OK. Now click edit and copy, and edit and paste in front. Then go back to type and then type on path again, and then we click flip, then click OK. Use your selection tool to move the handles around again, this time making sure the text is at the bottom and make sure it's bang in the middle like so. You can change the size and then change the text again to whatever you want. And then drag in your image in the center there, resize it, center it, and there you go. Like and follow for more.